Friends, here let's start the recipe. As the name suggests, it is chayote or chow chow, or in our local language it is called seeme badnekai, or in Telugu seema vankai. So I am going to make a sambar out of it. This is how it looks, and I have peeled it, and when you cut in the center there will be the seed. You remove the seed and chop it into tiny pieces. Okay, now this is the chow chow or the squash, chayote squash. This is tiny garlic, and this garlic I just picked up last week when we were driving back from Hassan to Bangalore. It is known as nati garlic. It's very tiny and very tasty. And these are our shallots, and these are the tomatoes which I have picked from Bangarpet. Tomatoes are famous there in Bangarpet, and believe me, it's really fresh and tasty. We picked up from the farm directly. Okay, coming to this, I have all your ingredients ready. I have boiled my tur dal with 2 whistles and have kept it ready. So I'll start my sambar in 2 minutes. And before that, you can also make the salad out of this. It's really very good. You can eat it raw because it's little tender. And when it is little tender, you can always make a good salad. It's very healthy. Okay, so here we go. Let me start my cooking. Okay, here I go. I have just put little oil. So I will put the seasoning separately. Sometimes I add the seasoning and I boil the vegetable along with the dal. Sometimes I make it separate. So every time the recipe changes. But this particular recipe I have learned from one of my neighbor auntie. Her name is Anjali. So I have learned from her. So this is her speciality. So I'll just follow the same thing. So first I'm putting some onions. I'll saute the onions. So let me saute. So I'm sorry how they pronounce it, whether it is coyote or chayote, I don't know. So I'll stick to chow chow, that is easy. So I'm just frying this. So at this stage I added little tomatoes. Let it flutter. Okay, let me talk about my red kettle. This is my favorite. Okay, this is nothing but the reflection. Okay, this is my red kettle. My water is always ready in this when I want to add some hot water. This is being gifted by my brother from Canada. So I just use it to make my hot water, or for my cooking, or for my soups. I just love to do, and somehow I don't know, my kitchen has a lot of red stuff, so I just love. It's quite bright and nice. Okay, coming to my kettle. Yes, as I said I like the bright colors, so I just love it. I have added the vegetable also. Let it get fried little, then we will add some water to boil. Right now I'm allowing it to fry little. Just let's give 2 minutes gap and then check on this. So it's semi-fried. I'm going to put some salt and I'll put some water, and I will allow it to boil till the veggies are cooked. Mashed my dal. So I have mashed my dal and I've added my dal. So now I'll add the rest of the ingredients. So let me add some salt. I'll add some sambar powder and some red chili powder. Sambar powder. And I'm not adding tamarind. Tamarind is again optional. Those who want to add, you can add tamarind pulp or tamarind water. I'm just allowing it to boil little. My tadka is ready. For the seasoning, I have added some mustard, some cumin, hing, curry leaves, haldi, that is your turmeric, and red chilies, and some garlic. Now I'm adding some more water now, and I will allow it to boil first. I'll allow it nicely to boil, and then I'll get back to this part. I'm adding some jaggery powder. So jaggery is also optional. Let me mix everything and I will leave it to boil for 5 minutes. So I'll just put a little cilantro at the boiling stage, and then I'll again garnish it little. I like doing this because it has the aroma of its own. My tadka is getting ready and I'm going to put my tadka. My sambar is cooked. Tadka. Our sambar is ready. So like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.